I want to evolve my Graveler and Golem. Or not my Graveler and my Golem. My Koffing and my Graveler. So yeah. Come on, Koffing, get closer. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, we defeated Victory Bell. Where I'm not getting resources. 6? Come on, Koffing, so close. Or can I just do my... Sorry, Snorlax. I really want this Wheezing evolution. Oh my god, I gotta recharge. I'm recharging. You already have 3 items. Tangela. Where you guys running to? Okay, are we on the boss? Yes, we are. Let's go. Okay, Okay, well, golden, that was good. Oh, come on, one more game. One more game, come on, one more game. We call Wheezing. Okay, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, we're on the boss. So excited. Okay, let's go. Let's go, bro. Yes. Yes, evolution. Let's go. That is really good, actually. I think that's my now strongest Pokemon. Or, although Trio is. Just by a little bit. Dude, he looks so cool. I want to try this guy out. Can even try this one. Got Wheezing. Yes. Flil. Oh my god, Wheezing looks amazing. I love this guy. He's my new favorite Pokemon. Well, in Pokemon Quest, it just looks so good. Is it just me or does it actually look that good? I feel like it looks amazing. Problem with Muck is he has a lot of HP. And I say a lot of HP. Problem is that Wheezing can never get close to this guy. Yes, he can touch him. Yes, oh my god, Wheezing looks amazing, bro. I love this. This is like by far one of the best episodes. Bro, I can't wait to get my Golem evolution though. That would be real cool. If I can get like an all evolved squad. Guess I'll just well, let's see if I can have a silver cooking pot right now. Oh my god, I can. Dude, use this. Yeah, that looks like a mulligan. 6? You know what, I don't care, just screw it. 6, that must be a really good Pokemon then. I'll use this level tomorrow. I mean, you know it must be good. It has 6. How much is there? One more game? Yeah. Okay. It's ready. Mulligan. Very good. Ooh, is that a chansey? Level 43? What is this, softball? It restores his HP? That might just be better than Graveler. Yeah, that's even better. Well, I guess the problem is, though, yeah, I might need Graveler for World 1 and for that, but we can try this level. So, yeah. What does light screen do? How did I already take damage? $366 HP only? Doug Trio, where are you? Can we just run? Oh, I did not know. Yo, it's an Onyx. Okay, I think Graveler, though, might be better. I mean, at least Graveler can attack. Garrett, you have a lot of HP, which is really good, but he can attack. Okay. I mean, Chansey has a lot of HP. Oh, Hunter? Yes, okay. Light screen. Soft boiled. Okay, yeah, I definitely need Graveler. Okay, I'll just change back to Graveler then. Yeah, but I can't actually attack, so it's just better with the Graveler. Chansey, Chansey, and Chansey. Yeah. Chansey has 500 more. Okay, but that's so good. Yeah, let me see if I can make another one, which I probably won't open. I can see. No. If I recycle, I could probably. Let me try recycling some. Oh, I guess I gotta edit team. No, oh my god. Hey, wait, give me a second. Yo, Graveler, why do you have that? Okay, why? $212. Why do you have a $212, bro? Okay, now it works. Three. Okay, well, I guess I can do that tomorrow. Or today I could do it. Just later. Okay, well, this is a good episode. Bye.